What's up guys? So today I'm going to show you a quick ab workout to get you stronger at home for a kid. So let's dive right into the video. So how to get stronger for a kid at home. I'm going to give you some ab workouts you can do to get your abs stronger. So let's dive right into it. So before we start, I just want to say I'll have some bonuses at the end, so make sure you stay tuned till the end, and let's dive right into it. So the first exercise we're going to do is leg raises. So leg raises, hands under the butt, or if you're stronger than that, you don't have to do hands under the butt. So just like this. We're going to do 10. Alright, so 10 of those, and then I'm going to move on to planks. So planks are a great exercise, and we're going to do 30 seconds. Alright, classic sit-ups. Make sure going all the way up. If you want, have something on your feet, because obviously you don't want your feet to go up like I just did. Bruno. Bruno. Alright, well, finish that up, and we're gonna do we're gonna do 3 rounds of that. So 3 rounds of just simply that. Alright, so I'll go over the other rounds. And we're gonna do 10 leg raises, 30-second plank, and then 10 sit-ups. I forgot to mention 10, and 30 seconds. So let's go into planks. Alright, so 10 sit-ups. I haven't done sit-ups in a while. That's why I'm not very good at them. Alright, and then one more round, one more set.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That was I'm feeling it already, and I haven't so to be honest, I haven't done an ab workout in a while, so that's why I'm falling a little behind, but that's okay. Just working on that. So let's do sit-ups and then we're done. When you don't do something for a while, you get rusty at it and not strong at it. Make sure you guys are consistently doing ab workouts. I'm gonna do it more consistently. Just to get back in shape. And my abs. Been working out, like doing other stuff, but haven't been doing abs as much. So thank you so much for watching. That's the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and give it a like if you enjoyed it. And I'm working still on the page for the ebook for the free PDF. I'm really excited about it. It's just taking a while to get going. So yeah, just click some of the links in the description. I'll probably have it up soon. So just click some of the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.